Is your dog trying to tell you something? Allergic itch in dogs is a medical condition that's more common and treatable than you think. That's why there's prescription Apoquel, the revolutionary medicine that's giving millions of dogs the relief they deserve. Apoquel goes to the source of the itch to provide relief in as little as 4 hours. And Apoquel is safe without many of the side effects associated with the use of steroids. Apoquel is for the control of itch associated with allergic dermatitis and the control of atopic dermatitis in dogs. Do not use Apoquel in dogs less than 12 months old or those with serious infections. Apoquel may increase the chance of developing serious infections and may cause existing parasitic skin infestations or pre-existing cancers to worsen. Do not use in breeding, pregnant, or lactating dogs. Most common side effects are vomiting and diarrhea. Don't wait. Ask your veterinarian about Apoquel today. Apoquel. It's itch relief worth barking about.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for West Central Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, South Central Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:17 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pireway, or 10 miles north of Little River, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard tornado. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact: expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Bug Hill around 3:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Freeland around 3:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Crusoe Island and Old Duck around 3:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Precautionary preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.